Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to fix the Instagram notes gift option not showing problem. Okay, let's get started. First open your Instagram app and tap on message option and tap on note option and tap on leave a new note, and you can see this is the problem. Instagram gift option not showing problem. Okay, let's get started. First go to Play Store or App Store, tap on search bar, search for Instagram, tap on Instagram app and check update your Instagram app. My Instagram app already updated to the latest version. Okay, back to home screen and go to phone settings and scroll down. Now tap on apps option, tap on search bar, search for Instagram, tap on Instagram app and tap on force stops. Okay, scroll down, then tap on storage, tap on clear cache and clear data, delete. Okay, back to home screen and tap on permission option and first to last allow all permission. First calendar allow back, second call logs allow back and camera allow back. Another contacts, location, microphone, nearby devices, notifications, phone, photos and videos allow all permission complete. Okay, back to home screen and now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, done. Now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, back to home screen and open your Instagram app, and I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.